Hamza, your chut. We need the charcoal, your asshole. We need the charcoal. Fucking start this fire. Bring the patties and the sausages before I take this fucking braai stand and ring it on your ass. Hamza, you prick. I need the fire lighter. I'm gonna start this fire. Yeah, asshole. Tonight I'm going to eat good. I'm going to eat lovely. Ntando Busani, what are you doing here, boy? No, isn't I am braai. I will eat. You are not braai. You will not eat. There's a boy. You cannot eat. Don't take a chance, boy. Don't take a chance. Hey, my pet, don't take a chance with me. Wait, Sipo, just call Beauty. She left her eyelash on the floor. I'm getting dark. You're making me like a scarpy. You're classing me. I'm a fucking braai. Ole, Sipo, I'll hit you with the tongues there. Coming to make noise. I'm talking to him, not Joe. I'll bang you lights. I'll hit you with the upper class downer. Ik say, come braai before I sound you.
Frikkie, bring je fucking brandas en coke. Hoe gaan ons braai sonder brandas en coke? Ken jy die Springbokke speel vandag? Ons gaan lekker wen, boet. Daar is hy nou. Antjies, bring je braai broodjies. Dankie, Antjies.